Welcome back everyone. So in today's video we are going to discuss about MOS Microsoft Office Specialist certification, right? So in this video I am going to give you a quick demonstration about each and every tool available in PowerPoint 2016. So let's jump in to our application. So today's video is going to be little long because there are so many options available. So for MOS examination, we need to study very deeply, right? So this is PowerPoint 2016. So let me take a new document here so that we can see what are the various options we have on the screen. So the very first thing here is the layout of the screen. On the top bar, there is a top menu, or which is also called as title bar. And the title bar is divided into three different parts. So on the left hand side, at the top of the corner, this particular section where I'm scrolling my cursor is called as quick access toolbar, right? And on the center of the document, or we can say on the center of the screen, just one second. Okay, so on the center of the screen here we see a title or a name of the document, right? And on the right hand side we have the control box. Control box has four different options. One is to change the ribbons, right? Then minimize, then restore, and the close button. Okay, so this is the title bar. So now on the left hand side in the quick access toolbar, we can change the options. So you can just click on this customize quick access toolbar arrow. You can see there are various options given. You can just click and add your options accordingly. The same way you can deselect the options by just deselecting it by clicking on the buttons. Okay, so there are only few options given. But if you want to add more options, you can click on more commands. So once you click on more commands button, this particular page will open. On that page, you can see there are so many commands available which are inside the ribbons. So you can directly go here and add your options. So let me just add some options here. You can select a option from here, then click on add. The same way you can add more options from here, and the same way you can also remove options from here. So then you need to select from the right hand side and click on the remove button. Right after doing all these settings, you can just click on OK. Done. So after that, you can see there are more options on the screen. So now the next option is show below the ribbon. So if there is a question in the paper, because the entire paper is going to be practical, so if there is a question that you can show your quick access toolbar under the ribbon, then you need to go to this particular arrow here, then show below the ribbon. So once you click on this option, you can see your quick access toolbar is under the ribbon. So this white layer which is there is called as ribbon. So here is the option. So I'm switching it back to on the top of the window, right? After the title bar, there are tabs. So there are total 9 tabs in number. So we need to keep this in mind that how many tabs are there, right? So each tab has different options in groups, and all the groups are sorted down or pinned on the ribbon. The white area which you are seeing on the screen where there are so many options, it is called as ribbons, right? So if you want to just auto hide the ribbon, you can do this. Okay, so if you want to show tabs, then you can switch it from here, and you can go with both the options in the same manner, right? After that, there is a, on the left hand side, you can see this is a window where you can see your slides. Okay, and the right hand side is your working area. And one thing we need to keep in our mind, that in presentation we make slides, not documents. So we make slides here. After, on the bottom, we can see there is a footer, or we can say a taskbar, where there is a number of slides given. Then there is a spell check, where you can just click and you can check your entire presentation. Then there is a notes view, then comments. You can also add notes in your presentation for your own reference, and you can add comment also, right? So by clicking on new button, you can add comment in a particular slide. Okay. So this is again for your reference. Okay. Then there is a slide sorter view, slide view. This is a normal view. Then slide sorter view. Then there is a reading view. So you can read your slides in a very good manner here. So I'm going to switch it to slideshow also. So we can also go for slideshow here. So these are the various options. Then there is a zoom in and zoom out. Scroller is there. So you can also scroll your slide accordingly. Okay. So this is the entire layout of the presentation, wherein we have various options. There is one title bar and one footer, or we can also call it as the taskbar. In the title bar is divided into three parts: quick access toolbar, then middle part is called as title of the document, and on the right side is control box. After that, there are tabs. Under the tabs, there are ribbons, and all the options are listed on the ribbons. Then, when we come down, the screen is divided into two parts. On the left hand side, there are slides, and on the right hand side, there is a preview of the slide, or we can say the working area. And on the bottom, the taskbar is divided into two parts. On the left hand side, there is a total number of slides written. Then the spell check is there, and on the right side there are various options. Number one is notes view, comments we can also add. Then there is a normal view, slide sorter view, reading view, and slideshow. So there are four different type of views available in PowerPoint. Then there is a scroller or a zoom parameter or a meter is there. So with the help of this, you can zoom your screen. And there is one more button at the end of the screen, which is very, very small. And I must say this question must be there in the exam also, that you can fit your slide on the screen. So by clicking on that, you can fit your slide on the screen. So this is very small button at the end of the cursor. So let me zoom my screen and show it to you. So see, this is the button which is next to 66. Okay, so this is very small button, and you can just click on that and your slide will be adjusted on the screen. So with this, the entire structure or entire layout of PowerPoint 2016 is covered. Now in the next video, we will discuss about the file menu and various options inside the file menu. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope you like this video. Thank you.